and daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. Today I have bought a recipe for you, which is the recipe of pasta in onion, tomato and cheese sauce. It is very good for baby. You can introduce this recipe to your baby once the baby completes 10 months. In other countries, as it is a staple food, so they start it early, but in India it is not considered as staple food. So I think we should take some time to add this food in the baby's menu list. So I have introduced this to my babies at around 10 months in very small quantity. So before starting the video, I would like to request you that if you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload new videos, you get the notification of the same, and also share with your friends and families. Now before starting with the video, I would like to tell something about pasta. See, there are many kinds of pasta available in market: penne pasta, fossili pasta, orzo pasta, durum wheat pasta, different kinds of pasta are there. So in case of babies, please don't use all flour pasta or processed pasta. Here in this video I have completely used semolina pasta, or I also give her sometimes durum wheat pasta, which are very good, and organic pastas are also easily available online. So don't give anything to baby which are processed in processed form. Apart from this, pasta, pizza pasta sauces are also available. Please don't give that to your babies, because they are very high in sugar, salt and lots of preservatives are added in that. So I won't recommend adding those sauces in the baby. Just make this simple sauce at home, which I will show you in the video, and it will taste really great and your baby would love to eat it. So let's get started with the video. Here I have taken 3 cups of water for 1.5 cup of pasta. When the water comes to boil, add salt and then add the pasta. Here I have taken semolina pasta. You can also take durum wheat or wheat pastas. When the pastas are cooked, just take out a piece and press them between your fingers. Once they are easily pressed, it means they are nicely cooked. So these are my ingredients. I have taken the boiled pasta. These are the shredded cheese. Boiled pasta you can take, or you can side by side make the sauce also. Shredded cheese, onion, tomato, salt, black pepper and olive oil and some Italian herbs. Now I am going to take a pan. In that I will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Here I have taken Bertolli extra virgin olive oil. You can take any other company like Figaro, they are also very good. After that I will add my onion. I will cook them. I will shallow fry them. Once the onions are half cooked, I will add the tomatoes in them. Here I am adding the tomatoes. See, my onions are cooked. Here I am adding the tomatoes, and to make the cooking little faster, I will add some salt in this. Do remember, if your child is less than 1 year, don't add salt. Also, while boiling the pasta, don't add salt if the child is less than 1 year. Here I am adding some water so as to make the cooking process faster, and it will also help in making a nice sauce, gravy sauce for the babies. Just cover them with a lid and let it cook. Once cooked nicely, see, my onion and tomatoes are nicely cooked. I will add my shredded cheese in this. As the paste of tomato and onion is already hot, so the cheese will easily melt. Just mix them well, and then switch off the flame and let them cool. Once cool, put them in a blender jar, and when the thing is completely cooked, make a nice paste out of it. Now take a pan again. Here I have added oil in this. Oil is optional. Here the sauce don't stick, because I don't have this non-stick pan. If you have non-stick pan, then don't add oil. Then add the sauce which you have made and let it come to a nice boil. Once the sauce starts boiling a little bit, then sprinkle some black pepper. Here I am sprinkling this black pepper. Sprinkle very little, don't make it too spicy, just to add little flavor. And after that I am adding some Italian herbs. Here I am using mixed herbs of Kea company. There are many other herbs, basil also only you can add. Just give a nice mix. Then I have added my boiled pasta. I have overcooked them because I have made this for baby. so that she can chew it nicely and eat it. You can add water to it so as to make it easier to eat as we are making them for baby, or you can also add fresh cream. Here I have added little water and little bit of fresh cream so that the taste enhances a little more. So the my pasta is already ready. Take out in a bowl and serve it to your baby. Make sure it cools down a little before the baby takes it in mouth. So the pasta is all ready to be served. Eat Lala, very good. Yummy. Very good. Mama. You have seen how my baby is enjoying the simple pasta. See, if you like the recipe, please do mention in the comment whether you liked it or not, your baby enjoyed it or not. Now let's talk about the nutrition benefits of pasta. See, pasta is a wholesome meal for a baby, so I would recommend not to introduce this in the snack of the baby, because it will fill the baby's tummy very nicely. So it is highly recommended to introduce the recipe in the dinner or in the lunch of the baby. Second, as told earlier, don't use processed or all flour pasta. Use semolina or durum wheat pasta. Also, the third benefit of pasta is that it is very good source of vitamins, minerals, and it is very great in taste. Fourth benefit is that it can be made in multiple ways. You can add different kinds of ingredients, and in all the taste it will really become a relishing dish for you as well as for your baby. The fifth is that it can be used as a finger food for baby. See, around 7 to 8 months baby, we generally give a chunk of vegetable like carrot or anything, or a fruit, apple, something. So pasta is also considered as a good finger food for your baby. You can just give that also to your baby. So these are the benefits of pasta. Now next ingredient which we have used is onion and tomato. The common benefits of onion and tomato is that both are very good and rich source of vitamin C, and both are very good antioxidants, and being an antioxidant, it really improves the immune system of the baby. Apart from that, tomato consists of vitamin A and has lots of vitamin K. Next thing which we have used is the cheese, and as we all know, it's a dairy product and has lots of calcium, so it cannot be bad at all, and calcium is very much required for growing babies. So these are the overall health benefits and nutritional values of pasta. Apart from that, I have added herbs which are of Kea company. There are many other organic herbs available online. You can buy it from anywhere. So you can just add a pinch of herb which will enhance the taste of the dish. And apart from that, one more thing I would like to add: if your baby is less than 1 year, please don't add salt to the recipe. So these are overall the things I have completed. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, happy parenting, happy life.